Many times, we need a camera to shoot under special circumstances. The Feiyu Pocket 2S was born for this situation. The 3-axis gimbal lens can be firmly and magnetically attached to metal. It can also be directly inserted into the action camera base. The gimbal lens part is extremely light, so you can barely feel the weight when installed on a helmet because it is separated from the handle. Therefore, it won't cause any burden even if it is worn for a long time. The brand new 3-axis anti-shake algorithm and the 130-degree ultra-wide-angle lens creates a stable and smooth video image. A variety of mode switch allows you to cope freely in different scenarios. The detachable handle is equipped with a 5-way joystick. No matter where the lens is installed, the direction can always be controlled near. If you don't need to wear it, you can attach the lens to the handle for handheld shooting. It also comes with plenty of intelligent functions: time-lapse, automatic view, panorama mode, face tracking. The addition of an extension bar forms a seamless integration, making it the best partner for travel recording. Feiyu Pocket 2S, a unique wearable shooting system with unparalleled capability, giving you access to another level of video production.
Want a better pocket solution for stabilized video? Yeah? The MOZA MOIN camera. With innovative, rotatable, interactive touchscreen, giving you the freedom to adapt to multi-angle shooting. Capture your life moments in every occasion with smooth, stabilized images. Create FPV. Or track your face in a matter of seconds. Get the most out of your adventure with class-leading image sensor and processing for crisp and amazing footage. With ultra-wide-angle field of view, get more in your frame. Record your masterpiece with built-in dual digital microphones. Interesting time lapses with just a press of a button. Ready to shoot anytime, anywhere. Long battery life and supports fast charging. Record and share your beautiful masterpiece in no time. The MOZA MOIN camera sees the world in hand.